because they're obviously going to put them in a different paddock.
The neighbour was putting in fencing and his tractor got stuck, and so we were watching him trying to get it out. Eventually he got it out, and he can see that he's fencing a little bit further on now. But he must have used a winch the next day.
Oh, my collection. Look, my collection. You got it.
We went up to the top of the hill to watch the crop dusting plane coming over. It was so cool because it flew right over our heads. It was amazing. While the kids are playing in the treehouse, there was 5 Piwakawaka, the New Zealand native fantail, were flying over the rhododendron tree where they were playing. I've never seen 5 fantails together at one time, and I'm not sure if it's normal for them to play together, but I think they must be juveniles or baby fantails finding some